So this video is going to explain how to create a stacked bar graph in Google Sheets. So again, I've got a little bit of data here about students were surveyed about their favorite meal at HSC, and we've tracked it over the last 3 years. I've completely made up these numbers. I didn't actually survey anyone, but you get the idea. And so what I'm going to do again, as all of the other graphs, I'm going to highlight all of the information that I want to have graphed. So really what I'm looking here is I'm looking for trends over time in terms of the choices of favorite meal. Have they changed over the years? Are they going up? Are they going down? What's the most popular, etc. So I'm going to highlight all of the information and I'm going to go insert chart. Now again, Google Sheets is going to pick what it thinks is best. So in this case, it's going to pick a triple bar graph, which also does show me some interesting information, right? It shows me that chicken burgers are the most popular but have been declining, and in fact in 2025 pizza actually overtakes the chicken burger. You can see pizza has been steadily rising. Tacos is kind of up and down. Breakfast for lunch has been rising but still at the bottom, and pierogies is kind of up and down. If I want to turn this into a stacked bar graph, I'm going to go over here to setup. So you'll notice it says column chart. So Google Sheets decided to put a bar graph in. We want to change this slightly, and we want to change it to this one here, which is a stacked. It uses the word stacked column chart. Column and bar mean the same thing, so I can change that, and I can change it to a stacked bar graph. Again, there are a few things missing, right? I can add a vertical label under customize. I can go to chart and access titles, and I can have this as number of students, and I can add that in. I can change this to favorite meals at HSC over the years. Okay. Now, if I didn't want it stacked by type of meal, so when I look at this, I can see that chicken burgers have been declining, but I can't see necessarily that pizza's now better or as easily, although I can, because this orange bar, right? This orange bar is bigger than that one. So I can still see, but let's say I don't want it stacked in this way. So you might like it stacked this way, totally fine. But let's say you want to change how it's stacked. So when we double click that graph, we can come down under the setup column, scroll down, and say switch columns and rows, and now we can stack it by year. Now, I made up the same number of students surveyed every year. That's not necessarily the case, but I just did it for this example. And so the bars are all the same height because I surveyed the same number of students. But now I can see possibly the decline in chicken burgers over the years. It is harder to see, though, that pizza is now higher, possibly, right? So sometimes this view is going to be useful, and sometimes this view is going to be more useful. But in Google Sheets, you can do that by just going to setup and just clicking the box, switch rows and columns, and you can choose which one is going to be most useful for the information that you want to be displaying. And then again, once you have it, you can just copy and paste that.